Hello, you beautiful people. How you doing today? This is Love Temptress and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. Hi! So today we're going to be talking about another Humble bundle that just came out, and this one is a software bundle. I am so very excited about this one. It is the biggest graphics ever bundle. And well, it's got graphics. Yeah, you probably figured that. It's got like overlays and brushes and depending on which kind of tier. And I am so very excited about this because if you don't know, I'm actually going to school right now to get my bachelor's in graphics design. This is my other passion. Obviously, gaming is, my passion. But this is my other passion is photography, graphics, drawing, that kind of thing. And I am thrilled about this bundle. The top one today is only $25. And if you've ever looked into any of these bundles, they get expensive. I mean, look at this one right here, $69. $99. Like, these are expensive. This is a huge, amazing bundle. But they've included a video for us today, so let's take a look at that real quick. All right, let's see. The audio, in my opinion, isn't that impressive, but this is some of the things that are going to be in these bundles. Don't worry, the video's not very long, but look at some of these effects that are included. Yes, please. Yeah. Backgrounds, I mean, fonts, everything. It's amazing. Look at that. Those circles are the part of it. Like that fiery circle. Okay, so that was the little preview of what was in it. If you're new to Humble Bundle, the way this works real quick is there are different tiers. You do not have to buy the top tier. There are different tiers. That way you can purchase whichever one is at your price range or whichever one includes what you're interested in. So whichever tier you purchase, you will get everything above it. Our top tier today, like I said, is $25. So you would get everything. This one is pay more than the average. That one does change. Right now it's $13 at the time of me recording. That price will go up. It always does. It's based off the amount that people are paying. So that price always goes up. So if you want the middle tier, make sure and get it sooner rather than later. And then of course we start out with a dollar tier, which I've only seen once that Humble doesn't do that. And that was with a very specific bundle. But yeah, all right, so let's actually see what's in here. As always, I have it broken down for you. They value it at $814. It's actually a little bit less, and I actually know how they made the mistake, but we'll get into that. If you already know what you want, you can click here to get the bundle so you don't have to scroll down to the bottom. And if you need to come back for any reason, hit that reminder bell. It'll send a reminder to your email before the bundle is up. All right, so the first one is 20 Cyberpunk Lutz pack. It is normally $15, and each one of these has its own little video. Of course, I will let you view those, but it's just going to show you what's in it. However, I have seen sometimes that they combine these. Like if they have a whole bunch of bundle effects, they combine them. See, like this is beach presets, tropical lit. So you have to be careful when you watch these because it's not actually like it's the tropical one. Well, this is the cyberpunk one, so be very careful with that. But of course you can click here to go to their studios and read a little bit more here. So I wanted to warn you of that because I think sometimes that's a little deceptive. All right, but that one is normally $15. Then we have 160 plus snow photo overlays pack. This one is normally $19. It is included in the 10,000 cinematic photos overlay bundle, which is where Humble messed up with their evaluation. But we'll get into that. But then we also have 100 professional lens flare overlays. And a lens flare, if you're not aware, is what the sun is doing right there. That's called a lens flare. So where it flares out and creates those beautiful rays, that's what that is. And again, that's normally $19. This one is also in the 10,000 plus cinematic photo overlays bundle. But that brings our grand total for the first tier to $53. And of course, these included, we'll get to how much it actually is with the proper evaluation. All right, next, our pay more than average tier. You will also get all these, and it includes 7 more bundles. First of all, we have 540 amazing Photoshop brushes. This is normally $9. But if you know, you know that Photoshop brushes can be fantastic. So that's a really good deal. Then we have 109 Magic Ring Photo Overlays Pack. This one looks awesome. You saw it quite a bit in the video. It's that ring there. There's 109 variations of that. So yeah. And this one is normally $19. These two also, this one's included in the Big Design Graphics Bundle, and this one is in the 10,000 Cinematic Photo Overlays Bundle. Next, we have a 2,500 plus Professional Photo Overlays Bundle. And this one doesn't have a video, but again, you can click here to see a little bit more of what those overlays are. Next, we have 33 Wonderland Magic Photo Overlays. This one is normally $9 and is also included in the 10,000 plus Cinematic Photo Overlays. But look at that. I'm not sure if it's the spots there or if it includes the Reaper part of there, but either way, I would love it. In case you couldn't tell, I'm definitely buying top tier of this bundle. All right, next we have a 3,000 plus space backgrounds and textures collection. This one is normally $49. And this is collection volume 1. So they definitely have different ones. But look at this, high resolution ready print. 300 DPI, 5,000 by 3,500 PX. That's good quality. Next we have 400 Beauty Kit Lightroom presets. That is normally $23, and Lightroom presets are pretty awesome. It's a quick way to edit photos. Next, we have a 1,000 plus realistic photo overlays bundle. This one is normally $25, and this is the realistic one, not the cinematic one. But yeah, like, look at that. That's pretty cool. Okay, so that brings our total to tier 2 and 1, because we don't have any duplicates yet, to $216. And of course, you're going to get it more than the average price, whatever it is, when you get to it, if you choose that tier. Now, if you choose the top tier, it's $25. And you get, let's see, you get 12 more bundles. But remember, it takes out these 3 in this one and those 2 in that one, which is where Humble got their evaluation wrong. They forgot to subtract the value of these bundles here, because those are already included in this big one down here. All right, but for $25, again, awesome bundle. 10,000 plus Cinematic Photo Overlays Bundle. This is normally $99. And this video actually is supposed to be of just the cinematic bundles of the overlays. So this one is a very good representation of what is actually included in this one bundle here that is normally $99. And again, you're not only getting this bundle, but all the rest of them for $25. Really good deal. Next, we have the 7,000 plus Professional Lutz Bundle. And this one, yeah, see, this one has the different LUTs. So this one, I'm not sure if it has them all, but it does tell you down here which one it's a part of. So I don't want to mislead you. I never want to mislead you guys. I would assume these are in here, but obviously I'm not 100% certain. But it tells you which packs they're from, so... Next, we have 7,000 plus Professional Lightroom Presets Bundle. Again, that's for editing your photos. And it is normally $69. Then we have 7,700 plus High Resolution Backgrounds Bundle. And backgrounds are fabulous. Having a big bundle of tons of different backgrounds, practically drooling over here. Yes, please. Can't wait to finish this video and go purchase it for myself. Next, we have 5,000 professional photo overlays, and that one is only $49. Next, we have 1,030 plus premium Photoshop actions bundle. So this one be used for everyone. So they're all really well organized. Like, look at this. Works with Photoshop CS4 and above, and comes with the commercial license. So you could use these for all kinds of stuff. Next, we have 650 plus professional font bundles. And of course, gotta love those fonts. Having multiple, well, 650 plus in this case, plus whatever, you know, your software already includes, is fantastic, because sometimes finding the right font is a little difficult. So this will help you out. Next, we have the big graphics design bundle. It's 15,000 plus resources. 15,000. These are like your gradients, your brushes, textures, you know, all that kind of stuff. Even more backgrounds. Fabulous. Next, we have 10,000 plus professional light leaks photo overlays. And so the photo overlays, they're going to be like that speckly thing, you know? It's the way the photo will turn out, and it's pretty awesome. Next, we have a 2,000 plus wedding photo overlays. And of course, wedding photography is fabulous. Scared to do it myself, but maybe one day. Then we have 1,150 Sports Lightroom presets collection. This one is only $29. Oh, the wedding overlay, sorry, is only $39. And then very, very last, we have 1,000 plus wedding Lightroom presets collection. Now the Lightroom presets, remember, is going to be how the light turns out in a photo. And so with it being a preset, you can easily apply it to all your different photos. All right. So the way Humble evaluated it, they valued it at $814, but they forgot to take off these bundles that are duplicate if you buy the top tier bundle. So if you buy the top tier, it's actually $739 worth of awesome stuff, which of course is $25. So still a fantastic deal. All right, as always, Humble supports charity. This time it is Save the Children and Make-A-Wish Foundation. When you go down to purchase, as you can see here, sometimes the dollar amount disappears. If you want the dollar tier, just put it in there. Anytime you purchase anything other than the dollar tier, it'll just give you a warning that you won't get the stuff in the other tiers unless you up the amount to whatever the other tier is. All right, Humble Choice, that's what the add to cart is for. However, you do not ever have to have that to purchase a bundle. That is not a requirement. That is just if you want a Humble Choice subscription, which is, you know, pretty good for the most part. There have been some months that aren't as good as others, but it is a monthly subscription, and I believe you can get started for about $12 right now for 12 different games. So pretty good deal, but my opinion, I do have a video if you want to see that. But you do not have to have that to get any bundle ever. All right, then if you want to buy it as a gift, make sure and click there, put their email in here. You can even click and make it anonymous because that's kind of fun. You can even choose where your money goes. A lot of people wonder why the amounts, you can put in custom amounts and stuff. A lot of people choose to give, like, charity is set to low here on this one, so you can up it. Give more to charity, give less to the Humble tip and less to the Elmar, or give more to the Elmar and more to Humble, or however you choose to do it. And because this one includes 2 charities, you can actually choose what charity gets what. So that's pretty cool. All right, but here's where you're going to pay with card, PayPal, Amazon, or Alipay. And that is it. Let me know what you think of the bundle. I always appreciate your guys' opinions. And if you have any questions, leave those down below too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button with the notification bell. That way you can see all the new videos. I do cover every single bundle that comes out and the Humble Choice, including we even go through and review all the Humble Choice games. All right, that's it for today. I appreciate you guys. Till next time, this is Lava Temptress. Don't get burned. Bye!